Hey guys, today we're back at it again at the same pond from last video. If you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out. It was a real banger. We caught 4 really nice fish, fat fish. Hopefully we can do the same again today, and I'm gonna start out with this crankbait because that's what we caught 2 of the fish on last time.
Fish, 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 Preston.
I'm gonna say that one's probably 2.5.
Yeah, you wanna weigh him?
Sure, why not?
2.5 or 2, I'd guess 2. I'm gonna go 2, you're going 2.5.
I think it's 2.5 at most. Yeah.
2.5.
Right at 2.5.
So I was light.
Oh my gosh. I just recorded that from third perspective. Whoop. There's another fish.
Dude, let's go.
Rattle trap's working.
You have to hit it.
Oh wow. Not even 3.
Or 2.
It's more than the last one. 2.5.4.
Same fish, but it ate something between catches. The little step thing, it sounds like it's eroded a little bit. It's basically crankbait doom because you can't get it out from there. So I think if we want to go over there, we should both tie on like chatterbaits or something.
Yeah, I might tie on my black and chatterbait.
Or I guess you have that on. This is a good one.
Oh no! Oh my gosh! That one's gotta be a good one.
This one feels good.
That one's gotta be a good one. It looks good. Oh yeah.
It is a fighter. It might just be another one that's just insane fighter.
Oh no, that's a good one.
It's a good one.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Oh.
wait, hold on.
Really?
Hold
Double up, double up. No way.
No way. No way.
We just found a school, didn't we?
That's a fish. We're gonna double up. No. No. Or it's coming off though. Alrighty. Oh yeah, you're right. 3.42. A bass just ate something right there. I don't know if the camera picked that up, but a bass literally just flashed and ate something right there. decent cast. noise. Feels like there's some drag. I mean, this is a lot of line. I don't know what. Oh, it's a record word sing. We'll take that. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. That's a little fine. Like Ned rig hook with the swivel. I don't know what type of Cinco that is, but that's a pretty cool color. I don't have anything in that color, so we'll take it. Yes. And let's see if we can get something. That's a bass. Yeah, it's on a big one. It's a bass though. Oh, okay, it's still there. Oh, actually, never mind. It is a good one. Dude, it's a solid fish still.
I caught a clam while you caught that one.
Ah, bit my hand. My brother thinks that this is a 1.5, 2 pound at max fish. I'm guessing it's gonna weigh in at 2.5. Oh.
Three.
Okay.
I said 2 to
You
1.
said 2, I said 2.5.
You said
Technically
2.5.
that's closer to 2.5, so I win.